Many Xenea Wallet users have been trying to fix some issues that have occurred when they were trying to either restore their wallet or they are even trying to log in back to their wallet, that is their account. And there are some solutions that have been provided by Xenea. We're going to be going through those issues today, and at least hopefully one of them is able to help you solve out that issue. Let's start out with how to restore the wallet. So if you want to restore your wallet, they posted something about this. In the latest update, they give some steps, and here it says that if you see an error like the image below, you may have selected retrieve from Google Drive even though you have never backed up your data to Google Drive. Remember that Google Drive had some issues with the backup. We couldn't really back it up, but if you could not back it up and you used the other option, which was to back it up to the device, then when you click on Google Drive, it would not show you anything. So ensure to use whichever one that you use when you are logging in. If you use Google Drive to restore. If you use your device, then use your device too. So this is the way you can restore it. So you go to Android, you go to internal storage, documents, Xenea Wallet. If it's on iOS, you go to on my iPhone and then you look for Xenea Wallet. And if the errors still persist, then you have to go to their Discord support ticket. So let's just go to the wallet guide. To restore an existing wallet, you need to follow the steps. So the first one is login. Again, you can see the pictures over here. So you have to log into your account first, and then once it shows welcome back, this is what you see. You have to retrieve your backup data. So you can retrieve it from wherever you stored it. If you use Google Drive, use Google Drive. If you use local storage, use local storage, or you scan QR code. And now the next step is to restore your wallet from the backup data. Now, how do you do this? The backup data is encrypted using the security questions. So you have to answer those security questions that you set up. So once you answer them, you'll be able to proceed. And then you can now set up basic security, that is, repeat your PIN code or just set a new one up. You can set up biometrics. Once your PIN setup is completed and you've set up your biometrics, the last step is to go to Wallet Home. If this doesn't work for you, then what do you have to do? They have written some issues that some people would experience, and in the guide there is going to be some solution. There are going to be some solutions for it. So the first one is PIN is rejected when restoring with a QR code. Number 2, tokens that were sent do not appear in the wallet. 3, error 403 disallowed user agents when signing with Google. 4, shards of a private key might not have been stored correctly on the server during wallet creation. 5, forgot PIN. 6, forgot answers to secret question. 7, an unfamiliar secret question is displayed. So I'm going to also show you how you can join the Discord if maybe these solutions do not work for you and you want to go to the Discord support tickets. So first of all, let's go with the solution. For issue 1, which is restoring with a QR code, how to resolve it, you go to the Xenea Wallet app, open settings, then you go to backup or retrieve and display the backup QR code. Number 2, you start the restore flow again and enter your PIN. 3, follow the on-screen steps until the wallet is recovered. So as you can see, the cause is that most reports involve users scanning the address QR code instead of the dedicated backup QR code that is generated under settings backup retrieve. So you have to go over here and you scan it. Issue number 3, error 403 disallowed user agents when signing with Google. How do you solve this? Well, set one of the following as your default browser before logging in. Number 1, Google Chrome, Samsung Internet, Microsoft Edge, Firefox. This is the way that they've given to solve this issue. Issue number 4 has already been resolved, so there's no need for you to take any action. For the forgot PIN, you have to log out, then restore the wallet with your local file or cloud backup. During restoration, you'll be prompted to set a new PIN. Issue number 6, forgot answers to secret questions. Answers are case sensitive. If you still cannot recall them, please initiate a wallet regeneration from the backup QR code flow. Issue number 7, an unfamiliar secret question is displayed. In every reproducible case so far, the questions ultimately match what the user set during initial setup. If your situation differs, contact the team on Discord and include the secret question you expected to see. I'm going to be putting this in the description box so you can check it out on your own if you want to understand it better. But these are the issues that they've given. If you're facing any of these issues, I hope you are now able to understand what you need to do. And if not, you can ask in the comment section below, or you can join the Telegram and WhatsApp channel with the link in the description box below and ask your questions over there. Let's say that you have tried this and it's not still working. How do you access the Discord? First of all, open the Discord, accept invite to the channel. The next thing you need to do is to complete your verification. So you click on this arrow over here. You must complete a few steps. Now scroll down, click on I have agreed to the rules, click complete. Once that is done, you can see that you can now check all the channels. Next, click on the Xenea emoji. So once you click it, you are now able to talk in the channels. Now scroll down and look for open tickets. It's over here under community. Click on it. Then you click on open ticket, and now you can now access with the ticket you can what are the tickets for. If you want to ask any questions or make any inquiries, then you can now click it. It helps you to contact the staff. What are the tickets for? If you have any questions or inquiries, it helps you to contact the staff. But right now, there are a lot of tickets, and therefore if you try it might not work, because I also got an error message just now when I tried to open a ticket. The CEO has already addressed this problem. Let's check it out. The CEO of Xenea posted that they are receiving a lot of inquiries about the Xenea Wallet through comments on X and Discord ticket. That means they are clearly seeing a huge influx of the support tickets or people opening a ticket, and a lot of complaints on X, which is well deserved due to the amount of issues people are having. So he apologizes for the inconvenience, and he said that they are compiling the next report on the response, which will be published shortly. Once this situation has settled down to some extent, we plan to hold an AMA. Details such as the date will be announced later. So there's going to be an AMA that will address these issues, and they're going to give the date very soon, maybe in the report that they are bringing out. So just wait for it and be a bit patient. Of course, you have every right, maybe you're losing your streak or something like that, and hopefully they can give compensation for people that missed out on the streak. But try out these methods and see which one will work for you, or if it will work for you at all. If it works for you, start earning as much Xenea gems as possible with all the tags that are available. That's a wrap for this video. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified. If you want to join our Telegram or WhatsApp, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.